Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, All Snap Activate. The song is active. The artist is ASAKA and Travis Scott. The choreography is Sean Dennis and EJAYA Johnson. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in a step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, check out the choreographer. They have an instructional out also. Also, I would like to invite you to our 10th year anniversary, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website for detailed information at www.lmiunola.com. And here we go. And that is All Snap Activate. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.